The price tag on dental implants, Europe versus Turkey. With regards to dental health, lots of people face the daunting option of having the procedure of a dental implant within Europe or in Turkey. Given the growing cost for dental services in Europe, numerous patients are searching for lower-cost alternatives abroad, and that includes Turkey. In this clip, we'll explore the cost differences between dental implants within Europe as well as Turkey, in addition to the quality of treatment and treatments offered at the respective locations. Cost of dental implants in Europe. Dental implants are a well-known alternative to replace missing teeth and are generally considered to be the most effective method of dental implant replacement. However, the expense associated with dental implants within Europe are often high and make them an expensive alternative for a lot of patients. In some countries, such as France, Germany, and the UK, Germany and France, where the cost for a single dental implant can vary between €1,000 up to €3,000. Apart from the price for the implant itself, patients also need to consider the cost of consultations and X-rays, anesthesia, and any other procedures which may be needed. The cost can amount to a substantial amount, putting dental implants within Europe not affordable to many patients. Cost of dental implants in Turkey. In contrast, implant dentistry in Turkey can be found for less, which makes them an attractive alternative for foreign patients looking for quality dental services with a minimal expense. In Turkey, it is estimated that the cost for a single dental implant ranges between €500 up to €1,500 dependent on the site and extent of the process. Additionally, in addition to the less expensive price of dental implants, Turkey patients also gain by the superior quality of service and knowledge that is provided from Turkish dentists. The majority of dental centers within Turkey are outfitted with the latest infrastructure and employ the most up-to-date technologies and procedures to ensure that patients receive the finest quality of care. Qualitative of care in Europe versus Turkey. The cost for the dental implant in Europe could be more costly. However, the patients are guaranteed to be treated with the highest quality of care by experienced and certified dental specialists. European countries are governed by strict rules as well as standards for dental care, which ensures that patients get an effective and safe procedure. In contrast, it is true that the quality of treatment offered in Turkey is also excellent, as there are many dentists who have completed their studies at top international schools with experience in performing intricate procedures for dentistry. Furthermore, numerous dental centers within Turkey offer international patients and can provide services in a variety of languages, making it more convenient for patients to connect with their doctors. Final thoughts. To conclude, the cost of dental implants within Europe compares to Turkey is a significant element that a lot of patients think about in deciding whether to have the procedure of putting in dental implants. Even though the costs for the dental implant in Europe could be greater, however, patients can be assured that they will be treated with the highest level of care and knowledge provided by qualified specialists. In contrast, implants for dental purposes in Turkey cost less, which makes them an attractive alternative for patients who want top-quality dental care for only a small portion of the cost. The final decision on whether for undergoing an implant procedure for a tooth is the combination of elements that include cost, medical quality, as well as individual preferences. When you are considering the procedure of a dental implant within Europe or Turkey, the most important thing is to research thoroughly and find a trusted practice and a skilled dentist in order to make sure you are receiving the top quality medical treatment.